Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic 6 Lite, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the first way via the secret code. Let's tap on the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. And now let me show you another way, which is a little bit longer, but it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the About Phone. Now let's scroll down just a little bit, because as you can see, the IMEI numbers actually are right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.